Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2016 Jeep Compass and I will show you all of the lifting or jacking points in case you are replacing a tire or doing some brake or suspension work. This video will apply to Jeep Compasses made from 2007 all the way up to 2017. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Now, when I said it applies from 07 to 2017, the first generation before the facelift was from 07 to 2011, but I'm pretty sure it will be completely the same like this one after the facelift. Okay, now I'm at the front right side and I will show you. I'll turn on the flash on my phone and you'll see right here there's like a small cutoff part, and you will see, okay, let me zoom it in a bit. You will see two markings, you see, one here and one here. So you will place your jack just in between those two marks. Okay, so this is the front lifting point. You will have the same thing on the driver's side as well. Okay, so between here and here. Okay, and now on the back side you'll have the same thing. You'll have like a small cutoff area here, and again you will have these markings. You see, one is here and the other one is here. So you're supposed to lift it here between those markings, right? You see there's a bit of damage here on this vehicle. I just got it off the auction. Somebody bent it here a bit, but this is your lifting point, right? You should place your jack right here. Okay, and that's it. Yeah, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.